Hi guys, today we are starting our new lesson as HTML text formatting. In previous chapter you learn about the HTML, CSS styling and HTML paragraph, HTML heading and HTML style attribute. So many things I hope you have learned in our previous lessons, and now let's come to the text formatting, how we can design our text to display more beautifully. Okay, let's start. Okay, HTML also defines special elements for defining text with a special meaning. HTML uses elements like B for bold, I for italic for formatting output. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text, just like here I have B for bold, you can see here, and S for strong, both are here. Now let's come to our coding. Today I'm using Sublime Text to giving you a new experience in our new text editor. Okay, let's come to our Sublime Text. How it works? It is very easy to HTML. Okay, giving the format. When I save it, I'm giving you the advice, first save your document in ht.html because it works betterly after saving in your computer. Okay, text formatting .html, it gives you suggestions. Now how it gives you suggestions about editing, look here, htk, all the text automatically comes in front of your desktop at your editor page. Now we only have to write what we want in the title, HTML text formatting, it's our document title. Now comes to the body section, write heading 1. okay, heading tag automatically opening and closing has been appeared, and heading 1 we are giving code insider as heading, where we learn. Let's come to the paragraph P. If I use P, I select P tag, automatically closing tag will be appeared again. I want to give any paragraph. Safi is an effective blood purifying herbal medicine which has replaced the old irrigation therapy. Okay, it's our paragraph. Now it works. Okay, now we are going to use our text formatting code. First we use bold. Okay, if I want to bold this one, let's come to here and see. This one is is empty document. I have control save in this document and refresh your page. Code Insider is heading where we learn. If I want to bold it inside, you can bold individual word, it's your choice. Bold, okay, this sign and close B tag. Oh, it work automatically. Control save and refresh your page. Code Insider is bold, but it is the header section. It's not coming to the bold size. Let's come to here. B. Okay. Save and look at here. Safety. Zoom and refresh your page. You can see here Safety has been bold. Again we try. Why this not have been bold? Okay, save your document, refresh your document. This is already bold, that is why not bolding, because of heading. We cannot do more bold insider. Okay, I hope you understand. And let's come to the strong element. Strong element is same as bold, but by meaning it is different. Strong is used for important word, important content, for showing important content, but B for you can use for a normal bold. Here you can see the same work of bold is strong. Okay, save your document. You can see here is will be bold. The work is same, but by meaning both are different. Strong you can use for important content or a word, and safety or B for bold you can use for a normal purpose. Is like this. We can use here I for italic and E for emphasize. Both are the same by display, but by mean is different. You can use it I for italic for normal use and EM emphasize for importance. Okay, use here effective. If I want to, effective will be expressed as Y. You can see here the sublime text is very cool to use, but I suggest you use Notepad++. Refresh your page, and now effective has been in italic. Again blood, we use EM. Okay, and save your page. Blood here, refresh your page. Blood is also italic. I hope you understand the work of blood and strong, and I italic and emphasize. Both are same, by mean they are different. Let's come to our next element, symbol. Okay, how it works? Let's look here. We give the tag symbol. Okay, save your page. Purifying will be change its position. Purifying. Now it's come to a small size. You can see purifying first or a large before this changing, but now it's gone to small. Let's come to our another element. Now let's come to our another make element defines marked or highlighted text. Use this one at herbal. Okay, save your page, refresh this one. Now it has been marked. Sorry, I have written a wrong spell here. This one is mark. You can mark anything you want to highlight in your content or in your web page. Okay, if you want to delete anything from your page, you can do by giving a simple line. The HTML delete element defines deleted, removed text. Okay, just do it. The video is going to be long, but I really want you learn. DL each and everything I want you learn by purely. Save your page. Medicine, it has been deleted from your text. Now comes to the insert section. The HTML insert element defines inserted or added text. Okay, at which save your page or select at which refresh. This sign shows that it has been added in your document now, and use another element sub. Okay, at here sub, save your page, refresh this one icon. Okay, now it has been come to the below size of all the content. Okay, sub elements define subscripted text. If I choose here pure Gaussian super, sorry, this side, control cell, select, and how it works you can see here. Per Gaussian is it's gone to the upper side. The HTML superscript element defines superscripted text. Okay, finally I hope you understand each and everything. Today we learn about text formatting, including the topics bold and strong. Both are the same by meaning, both are change. Italic and emphysize, both are same by display, but by mean both are different. Strong and emphasize for important content. Small, you can choose small by giving a small height your word, your line, and mark. If you want to mark anything, you can do by this element. If you want to delete or delete it by your from your content, anything, you can use this element, and insert it as well for adding, and subscript by moving down, and by moving up superscript. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. If there is any query, any question, let's come to our tutorial. We always try to reply.